Mantap. Lagi taruh. Hop. Jan.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature.
Yo, what's up? Ketemu lagi bareng saya, Bang Ali, si Gamers Minang. Udah lama Bang Ali nggak ngupload video game, karena Bang Ali sekarang ganti channel. Bang Ali khusus buat game, yang kemarin khusus buat MotoGP. Karena Bang Ali ngerasa penurunan viewer atau penurunan subscriber, makanya Bang Ali bikin channel satu lagi. Dan buat teman-teman yang mau nonton video game, langsung aja ke channel Bang Ali. Jadi di sana Bang Ali mulai lagi dari awal, mulai dari nol, kayak di Pertamina. Dan di channel yang kemarin Bang Ali memberikan informasi tentang MotoGP. Nak gitu doh. Game saya lah main gini nak banyak lah cerita Bang Ali mah. Kau main gini ko game apa? Nama tadi game ni. Itulah namanya. Tekan naruh kampret. Nama game ni. Jadi game ko mainnya kayak gitu nyo di dalam guci, pakai penukuk panjang. Wah, celik kan? Keluar aja kan? Pakai penukuk panjang. Tu disuruhnya awak pai kasinan. Mereka. Okay. Kau main cuman pakai mouse. Kecil orang ko gamenya stres orang lebih ya. Kecil orang pita lah cebolo dulu mainannya. Game ko baru keluar kemarin bulan Desember tanggal 4. Yang udah mainin ini yang kayak itu YouTuber PewDiePie. Payah benar mah.
There's no feeling more intense than starting over. If you deleted your homework the day before it was due, as I have, or if you left your wallet,
lihat di artikel lah banyak orang gila di mainku.
If you won some money at the casino,
takut tali nak masuk kurang gila tu nak.
If you got your best shirt dry cleaned before a wedding and then immediately dropped it. If you won an argument with a friend and then later discovered that they just returned to their original view. Starting over is harder than starting up. If you're not ready for that, if you've already had a bad day, then what you're about to go through might be too much. Feel free to go away and come back.
Bisa ni diam. Melewati batang cik kau saya nak bisa dah awak dah. Tu lah. Dari tadi lah. Kampret. Deh. Onde mak. Tablik balu aja.
Thanks for coming with me on this trip. I'll understand if you have to take a break at any point. Just find a safe place to stop.
Iko siap dari iko.
Don't worry, I'll save your progress.
Sampai bila ko?
Even your
Sampai
mistakes.
janggit rambut panjang aku apa? Tunggu ah. Betak aja ni nak.
This game is a homage to a free game that came out in 2002 titled Sexy Hiking.
Iko main cuman
The
pakai
author of
mouse.
that game was Jazzor, a mysterious
Tak perlu
Czech
pakai
designer
apa
who was known
keyboard.
at the time as the father of B games.
Kontrolnya pun cuma
B
pakai
games
mouse.
are rough assemblages of found objects.
Jadi
Designers
agak
slap them
susah.
together very quickly and freely, and they're often too
Bagi
rough
saya
and
susah.
unfriendly to gain much of a
Tak tahu
following.
bagi teman-teman
They're built more for the
atau
joy of building
gimana.
than as polished products.
Okey.
In a certain way, sexy hiking is the perfect embodiment of a B game.
Saya
It's
lihat
built almost
PewDiePie
entirely
juga
out of
kesulitan
random
main ini.
cycle parts. And it's one of the most
Tapi viewernya
unusual
banyak.
and unfriendly games of its time. In it, your task is simply to drag yourself up a mountain with a hammer. And that act of climbing, in the digital world or in real life, has certain essential properties that give the game its flavor. No amount of forward progress is
Aduh.
guaranteed. Some cliffs are too sheer or too slippery. And the player is constantly, unremittingly in danger of
Aku jatuh apa
falling
jar
into
kulit kau
Anyway, when you start sexy hiking, you're standing next to this dead tree that blocks the way to the entire rest of
Whoop.
the game.
Op.
It might take you an hour to get over that tree, and a lot of people never got past it. You prod and you poke at it, exploring the limits of your reach and your strength, trying to find a way up and over.
Hehe.
And there's a sense of truth in that lack of compromise. Most obstacles in
Bentuk
video
murah
game
anak.
modes are fake.
Tapi
You
cuba
can
lah
be
mainan.
completely confident in your ability to get through them.
Kau
once
sabit
you have
nama
the
game ni
correct
tapi
method
aku follow
or
nama
the
game.
correct
Aku lah
equipment, or
cari
just
nama
by
game
spending
ni.
enough time.
Kau biar di
In that
deskripsi
sense,
aku.
every pixelated obstacle in sexy hiking is real.
Le balik lu bawah lihat.
The obstacles in sexy hiking are unyielding, and that makes the game uniquely frustrating. But I'm not sure Jazzuo intended to make a frustrating game. The frustration is just essential to the act of climbing, and it's authentic to the process of building a game about climbing. A funny thing happened to me as I was building
Saya
this
lihat di
game.
YouTube
I'd
orang
have an
mainin
idea for a
ini
new
udah
obstacle,
pada apa?
and I'd build
Udah pada
it,
jago.
test it. And it would
Sampai
usually turn out to be
diadakan
unreasonably hard.
ini
But I couldn't bring
waktu
myself to make it
tercepat
easier. It already felt
menyelesaikan
like my
game
inability
ini.
to get past a new obstacle was my fault as a
Tapi
player.
saya
rather than
nggak
as a builder.
coba mainnya cepat
Imaginary
karena
mountains
saya
build
belum
themselves from
begitu
our
paham.
efforts to climb them. And it's our
Wait,
repeated attempts to
aku.
reach the summit that turns those mountains into something real.
Karena ada salah satu channel saya lihat maininnya sampai tamat sampai apa? Cuman 2 menit. 2 menit berapa? 59 detik, hampir 3 menit. Dia rekor dunia mainin ini. Jatuh lu lihat. Oh, kampret. Oke. Kita maininnya aja udah sampai 7 menit. Mungkin kita juga ciptakan rekor pemirsa. Rekor menyelesaikan game ini paling lama. Woi.
Oh, you just lost a
Balik
lot
apa
of
jauh
progress.
berdasar lihat.
That's a deep frustration, a real punch in the
Bang jadi tercepat kok. Saya menyuruh anakan itu tadi tuh deh. Was. Deh. Hop. Tangkap. Yang tantah sih di kerajaan. Iya. Gampret. Oke, bantu saya. Saya kesulitan di sini. Iya. Oke. Yang awal-awal kok tadi berasa sus.
Oof, sorry about that.
Oops, sorry about that. Kampret. Tabi palu baja main lah. Sila tu ah. Tata campak palu ah. Op. Tadilah sampai awak di kepala tadi tu. Balik lah ke sikul ya. Iya. Okey. Saya sudah merasa kesulitan. Kimbek. Okey. Tidak usah terburu-buru. Kita main santai. Kok alah main santai awak nak je tu. Tadi awak langsung tiba hujung nak. Pas pertemu main tadi nak. Kini bakut nak muat sampai lewat di kos nak muat dia tu. Hah. Yeah. Okay, sam, mantap. Up.
Oh, it happened again. Keep on trying. Don't let it get to you.
Sebenarnya gini kok. Mantap. Lagi taruh. Op. Jan. Saya tidak mau gila karena main ini. Karena saya belum berbini. Saya masih kecil. Masa kecil-kecil udah gila. Oi, kampret. Tua.
This thing that we call failure is not the falling down, but the staying down. Mary Pickford.
Iya. Astagfirullah.
Get nasty over there, boy. Going down the road feeling bad. I'm going down the road feeling
Eh.
going down
Tua main ibu ko. Siku je taruh ko.
ain't going to be treated this way. Oh,
Kam. Iya. Mantap. Iya. Okey. Deh.
Down in the jail on my knees. I'm down in jail on my knees. Down
Yeah.
in jail on my knees, and I ain't going to be treated this way. They feed me on cornbread and cheese. They feed me on cornbread and cheese. They feed me on cornbread and cheese. and
Okey,
I ain't
kita
gonna
coba
be
pelan-pelan di
treated
sini.
this way. Oh, yole, ali, yole. Let's go to town, boys. Hey, buddy. Oh, God,
Ande, ya Allah. Tolong. Tolong Baim, ya Allah.
$10 shoe fits my feet, and I ain't going to be treated this away. Going where the weather suits my clothes. I'm going where the weather suits my clothes. I'm going where the weather suits my clothes, and I ain't going to be treated this away.
Di mana mau jadi yang tercepat? Sudah 15 menit dari tadi mainnya. Di sini aja. Jatuh lagi ke bawah. Aduh, nih. Oke, iya. Entah kamanyo. Allahu
The song that
Akbar.
have no rainbow had the eyes, no tears. John Vance.
Ternyata benar kata orang. Game ini sangat bikin kita emosi. Oke. Sampai sini selamat. Oke. 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 Jangan didorong. Oke. Geser sini dikit. Oke. Allah.
The pain I feel now is the happiness I had before.
Aduh.
That's the deal. C.S. Lewis.
Masih dalam kesalahan yang sama. Deh. Bala carunya kok. Wis.
I feel within me a peace above all earthly dignities. A still and quiet conscience. William Shakespeare. Aduh. Masih di tempat yang sama.
Bodat. Bujang minum.
If you need to take a break, it's okay.
Balik lagi ke bawah.
You cannot now believe that you will ever feel better.
Ini yang ngomong
But
nih.
this is not true. You're sure to be happy again. And knowing this,
Apanya yang
truly
happy, kampret?
believing it, will make you less miserable now. Abraham Lincoln.
Allah. Deh. Tuhan bantu aku. Hidup. Dia mana payah mainnya. Bagi pemula Tapi heran wak semua yang channel yang apa tu. 2 minitnya tambuk aja. Okey. Okey, mantap sekali. Deh. Alhamdulillah kita juga nyampe di sini. Oke. Hihi.
When you're building a video game world, you're building with ideas. And that can be like working with presets. You mold your ideas into a certain shape that can be played with. And in the process of playing with them, they begin to harden and set until they're immutable, like rock. And at that point, you can't change the world
Hati-hati oi.
without breaking it into
Kampret.
pieces and starting fresh with new ideas.
Oke. Kita masih di tempat yang sama. Udah hampir setengah jam kita main. Mungkin sekian dulu dari Bang Ali ya. Merasa puas saya main yang satu ini. Mungkin teman-teman ingin maininnya juga, silahkan download. Nanti kalau saya ingat saya bikin di deskripsi namanya. Oke, mungkin sampai sini dulu. Udah sedikit pusing Bang Ali ya. Salam gamers.
Lobby one day on that track with gunplay. Outcast my whole life, so I decide to spit like Andre.